Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a poll in an Instagram group chat. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to gather opinions and make decisions together. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on the chat icon located at the top right of the screen. This will take you to your direct messages. Select the group chat where you want to create the poll. Step 3. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the plus icon. It's usually located at the bottom left of the chat box. Step 4. Next, tap on the sticker icon. It's shaped like a square smiley face and can be found at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Look for the poll option among the stickers and tap on it. It should have a simple poll icon. Step 6. Now, it's time to add your question and the options for your poll. You can customize the text and even add emojis to make it more engaging. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with your question and options, tap on Create Poll to finalize and add the poll to the group chat. And voila! You've successfully created a poll in your Instagram group chat. Now, everyone in the group can participate and share their thoughts. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy polling in your Instagram group chats.